Hello, welcome to Topper Machine. I'm Josh Topper. So, as we approach 5,500 subscribers, I really want to thank everyone for sticking with me and growing with me and seeing all of the progressions of bad cameras, bad audio, I mean, you name it, new equipment, getting some old equipment, getting rid of equipment. There's just been so many changes here over the last little over a year now. And I want to thank some of you in particular, especially today. I got home and there was a surprise in the mail. So many of you have seen my struggles with cameras and audio from the beginning, and I've made a lot of improvements. My last improvement is this camera that I'm shooting on right now. This is a Nikon D5300. I just bought it used, a very low shutter count, very good condition with a lot of extras with it. And it's a little bit on the high end from what I have been using. Okay, it's a lot on the high end. But it's allowed me to do some really cool stuff that you'll see in the next couple videos. But I got home today from running parts to Hayward and this was in the mail. I am absolutely shocked and in awe and just impressed with the feedback my channel has gotten since I've started. And Ryan, this is just an amazing gift. This GoPro is just so awesome. I've looked at the GoPros, but I didn't want to spend the money because I know the harshness of the environment, and this is going to be so much fun. I've got some great ideas that I've done with my little crappy imitation ones, you know, with the sawmill and the machines and stuff, and this is going to be a much better video quality and a much better all around. It's going to be better. So I'm very, very much thankful for this, and I really appreciate it. So thank you again, Ryan. This is an awesome gift. So running a job shop, I get a lot of packages in the mail and UPS and just a lot of stuff, a lot of pallets too. But it's always kind of like, what did I order? What did I buy this time? And so first was the GoPro. I opened that this morning. I'm like, holy crap, you know, this wasn't expected. And then the other package, I'm like, what did I buy here? You know, it's obviously I buy stuff, but I got in the mail was this beautiful coat rack. With Topper Machine LLC in it, just absolutely beautiful. And this comes from Keith at Unruly Acres over in Minnesota. He had gotten a hold of Jim LaVenture of LaVenture Crane and Rigging because of my videos, and had him move a press brake. And he said he had a good experience and thanks for the referral. So I very much appreciate this. This is awesome up here in the front, right when you come in for everybody to see. So I put it up here on the wall next to one of my other very most prized possessions that I just got from a very good friend of mine down in Arkansas. I went to visit him. Well, we went on a family vacation, my wife and in-laws, and we all went camping down there on the by Hot Springs, Arkansas. And he's on the complete opposite side of the state. So we took a day, drove over, and Willie has been a good friend of mine for 15 years or so. We've been doing business together, just a great guy. And so I finally went to meet him face to face, and so I got this off of him, and I absolutely love it. It's a exhaust manifold cover off of an early GM locomotive. So I do a lot of locomotive stuff, and they're one of my main parts suppliers. Great guys. So I love these two items. They look good here. So we're gonna keep filling this area up with other cool stuff. And I know I haven't shown the sticker board in a while, but here it is. And we've got a few good stickers on there, really good channels. If you have a channel and stickers you want to send, please reach out to me and send them over, and I'll send you one in return. And as the weather starts to get nicer, we're getting closer and closer to firing up the sawmill. I'm looking really forward to that. It's a long winter not playing with your toys. That's the part that sucks about where I live is winter is horrible. I mean, there's nothing I enjoy outside in winter. So all my fun is outside here and at the sawmill with the steam engine, you know, fishing on the lake. We do beekeeping. My wife and I have been doing that for a couple of years and really enjoy it. So lots of fun stuff we're going to do outside, but a lot of good stuff in the shop. So I mentioned over at the sawmill our beekeeping. This is our beehives. The bees did not survive the winter. That's just too hard here, but we're gonna make some changes and try to maybe put them in a shed next year. Insulating is not working, but if anybody wants to see some beekeeping videos, I've got 2 new packages of bees coming. And if you want to see them, that's going to be in a few weeks. I can shoot it for a Tuesday content. Just comment below if you want to see beekeeping. So again, I want to thank all of my subscribers for sticking with me and helping me grow the channel and just showing how much support there is out there for this kind of content and business. Just the manual machine shop is, so far this year I've been just thriving. Things have been great, and you know, if things keep up, I'm going to have to add help, but we'll see how it goes. And thank you again to Ryan for the GoPro. That's just so awesome, and I can't wait to get going with it. And to Keith for the coat rack. That's really cool. Looks good there right in the entryway. And there's been a few others of you who have sent stuff in, and it's just, I can't even think right now. I'm going to have to make a list one of these days and do another thank you video for all of you. But these 2 items just came today, and I was just floored. Can't thank you guys all enough for your continued support and for wanting to stick with me and see the growth of the shop and the channel and learn some cool things. So if there's anything you guys want to see in particular, please comment below and I'll see what I can do to do a video of it. Otherwise, I'm just going to keep on plugging along with the normal day-to-day shop stuff. And now that things are nicer outside, I'll get some sawmill stuff and maybe some steam engine stuff and a few things like that. So with that, get out in your shop and get it done right the first time.